Looking for a simple, no-drill solution to mount a CB antenna on your Rubicon Wrangler or JK series? This spare tire CB antenna mount kit fits perfectly on 2007 and newer models, using the existing bolts on your spare tire rack. No need to worry about drilling holes or complicated installs. It's designed to fit right behind your spare tire with the hardware you already have. What makes this mount stand out is its rugged construction. Crafted from polished 3003 alloy aluminum, it offers improved strength without adding unnecessary weight. Plus, it includes insulated 66 nylon spacer washers to protect your vehicle's finish and ensure a secure fit. The 38-inch by 24 threaded stud provides a solid base for your antenna, so you get reliable performance every time you hit the road. Included with the kit is an 18-foot CB coax cable featuring a detachable PL259 connector. This design helps avoid large holes or messy cable runs, making installation cleaner and easier. The smaller FME connector on the antenna side keeps the setup slim and low profile, maintaining your vehicle's sleek look without bulky hardware sticking out. Customers appreciate the quality and attention to detail. One reviewer praised the thick aluminum mounting plate and the high-quality cable, noting the fast shipping despite the mount not being eligible for Amazon Prime. The fact that the mount arrived on the same day as other Prime items was an unexpected bonus, showing the seller's commitment to quick delivery. If you're tired of complicated antenna installs or drilling into your prized Wrangler, this mount kit offers a straightforward, durable alternative. It's built to last, fits seamlessly, and keeps your rig looking sharp. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a daily driver, this kit simplifies adding a CB antenna without hassle. Worth a look if you want a clean, sturdy mounting solution that respects your vehicle's design. The no-drill installation saves time and protects your spare tire rack from damage. Plus, the included cable and connectors mean you're ready to go right out of the box, no extra parts needed. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your communication setup with confidence. This CB antenna mount kit blends durability, ease, and style into one package, helping you stay connected on every journey. Give your Wrangler the mount it deserves and enjoy smooth, reliable CB performance without the fuss.